Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we'll learn how to save all GST item groups to another group level. Let's begin by going to the Setup Item Groups module. Here, you can view the existing GST taxes group. Now, we need to create a copy of the current GST taxes group and move it to another group level. Let's copy it to group level 13. Before proceeding, let's rename the group name along with its group level. Simply right-click on the group to rename it. Next, go to GST taxes group, click GST taxes level, and click on Refresh. Now, click on Other options and select Move Item Groups. Select the taxes you want to move to another group level and click OK. The software will now display the item group selection window where you need to select the item group we created earlier. After selecting it, click OK. The system will then ask for confirmation to move the item group to another level. Click Yes. Finally, let's verify the changes. The item group, along with all items allocated under it, has been moved successfully. We have successfully copied the current taxes into this GST group, named GST taxes before 22nd September. From 22nd September onwards, all subsequent changes will be configured within the current GST taxes group. Let's add a new GST slab of 40%, which is applicable to luxury and sin goods. As we know, under the recent GST changes, items that previously fell under the 12% slab have now been shifted either to the 5% slab or to the 18% slab. Let's now learn how to implement these changes. First, click on GST 12%. You can view the list of items currently assigned under this slab. Let's deallocate these items from 12% GST slab and reassign them to either 5% or 18% GST slab. To begin, right-click on GST 12% and select Deallocate Item Groups. Click on Search, choose the item you wish to deallocate from this slab, and then click OK. Once the items are deallocated, let's allocate them to the 5% slab. Right-click on GST 5% and select Allocate Item Groups. Then, click on the Search button. The list of deallocated items will be displayed here. Select the required item and click OK. The items have now been allocated successfully. Repeat the same process for the remaining items assigned under the 12% GST slab. Deallocate them from GST 12% and allocate them under GST 18%. The remaining items have been allocated to the 18% GST slab. Let's verify the 12% GST slab. As we can see, no items are displayed under this slab, which confirms that all items have been successfully deallocated from the 12% GST category. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.